In this video, we'll be showing you how to install the cast iron grates on all 48 inches gas ranges. There are 4 cast iron grates, but they are not all identical. There are 3 identical grates and 1 different looking grate that will have a small guide point on the right side of the grate. This grate will be the first to be installed. Place the grate in the middle of the enamel cooktop next to the divider, with the guide point on the right side. You are now ready to install the other 3 identical grates. When placing your grates, make sure it snubs properly into its holding hub. You can also make small leveling adjustments by turning the screw located just under the grate. Congrats! Your installation of the grates is now complete.